So we are going to review factoring. Now, one of the biggest things we have about factoring is the GCF. What does GCF stand for? Greatest common factor. This is always the first thing you do, is the greatest common factor. Always, always, always. Okay. So, just to kind of refresh you about what you're doing here. The instructions will, for the most part, just say factor completely. I'm not going to tell you how to factor. I'm just going to say factor completely. So if I have 18x squared y minus 24xy to the fourth. The first thing you always look for is the GCF. So what's the common factor here between these two terms? 6 goes into 18 and 24. What else?
Oh, x, y.
I can take x out of both of these, and I can also take out y. If I factor or divide that out, what am I going to have left? What am I going to have left after I divide that out? That's right, 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then y, come on, you can do it. X. But then over here I'm going to have what? 4. No x because I took that out. I'm going to have y to the third. Yeah, this is going to be a long day. I can feel it. Are we happy with that? Well, let's do another one. Let's see if I can, come on, I want to see you smile. Because when I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh. It's a song that you probably don't remember, but that's okay. No, Mr. Craig, I remember the song, I just don't think you do. It's like when you say, hey, who sings that song? Oh, that's that's Earth, Wind, and Fire. But maybe you should let them sing it. You know what people are when people are like rude.
No, not from him. I remember our reaction to not the comment.
All right, what would you say about this one? What's common here? They both have x and y. What's the most x you can pull out? What's the most y?
18.
All right, so factor that out. What's left? X squared y to the fourth plus 1. Do I need that plus 1?
Yes.
Yes, I need that plus 1. Otherwise, if I don't have this here and I try to multiply to check my work, I'm only going to get the first term, not the second one as well. I'm happy. I'm as happy as I can be. You guys? You remember this? Again, if you don't, I've already referenced about 40 other videos on my YouTube channel that you can check out. You know you want to. You don't want to give me some hits.
No, I just remember it.
You just want to hit me. That's what you're saying. That's cool.
So, Joe, I'm sorry, to check the work on the one that you just finished.
Check it. Just distribute.
So,
So if you multiply these, you get x to the 15th, y to the 22nd.
oh, okay.
When you distribute to the 1, you, of course, just get the same thing, x to the 13th, y to the 18th.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's see. How about we do 63 x to the 4th, a to the 9th, minus 27 x to the third a to the fifth minus 54 x a to the 13th.
GC is
Greatest common factor, so 9 goes into all of these. What else goes into all of them? X? How much x? Just 1. This guy limits what you can take out of everybody. What else? A to the fifth. The smallest exponent of the a is what limits you. So now what's left inside? 7. How much x? X to the third. How much what? How much a? Excuse me. A to the fourth. All right. Move on to the second term. Take out the 9x a to the fifth. What do you have? Minus 3x squared. No a? No, there's no a. You what? No.
No?
You have a to the fifth here. You take out a to the fifth, so there's no a remaining.
Okay.
Now here, negative 54 divided by 9 is what?
Negative.
Negative 6, how much x? How much a? A to the 8th. Is there anything else that all three of these terms have in common? No, not here. Sometimes there are things that are missing, like you forgot to take out the GCF. But no, this is all good.